While most people spent this particular Sunday celebrating Mother's Day with their family members, Donald Trump took to Truth Social to tease one of the biggest announcements of his so far very young second term. And as usual, Donald Trump did not fail to deliver. Ladies and gentlemen, at 9 a.m. on Monday, Donald Trump will sign an executive order significantly lowering the cost of prescription drug prices in this country. We've got the details, so hang on, folks. We're going to give them to you here in just 1 second. My name is Brian Trippett. I am your front porch conservative. Step on up to my electronic front porch and let's talk. On Mother's Day Sunday, Donald Trump dropped a huge piece of news through his Truth Social account with his announcement that come Monday morning at 9 a.m., he will sign an executive order lowering the cost of prescription drug prices here in the United States. We're going to take a look at his announcement on Truth Social and try and talk about what it means. So with that, we go to the pages of Truth Social for the following. For many years, the world has wondered why prescription drugs and pharmaceuticals in the United States of America were so much higher in price than they were in any other nation, sometimes being 5 to 10 times more expensive than the same drug, manufactured in the exact same laboratory or plant by the same company. It was always difficult to explain and very embarrassing because, in fact, there was no correct or rightful answer. The pharmaceutical drug companies would say for years it was research and development costs, and that all these costs were and would be, for no reason whatsoever, borne by the suckers of America alone. Campaign contributions can do wonders, but not with me and not with the Republican Party. We are going to do the right thing, something that the Democrats have fought for many years. Therefore, I am pleased to announce that tomorrow morning, Monday, the 12th of May, in the White House at 9 a.m., I will be signing one of the most consequential executive orders in our country's history. Prescription drug and pharmaceutical prices will be reduced almost immediately by 30 to 80%. They will rise throughout the world in order to equalize and, for the first time in many years, bring fairness to America. I will be instituting a most favored nations policy whereby the United States will pay the same price as the nation that pays the lowest price anywhere in the world. Our country will finally be treated fairly, and our citizens' healthcare costs will be reduced by numbers never even thought of before. Additionally, on top of everything else, the United States will save trillions of dollars. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Make America great again. Okay, let's talk about this. It's no secret to anyone that Donald Trump has tried for years, going back to the days of his first term, to lower prescription drug costs for Americans. There were various executive orders that he tried then. Some of them were blocked in courts, lawsuits being brought by the pharmaceutical industry. Well, now Donald Trump is going to make another attempt at it, and this time he might have a little more power behind the punch. We'll find out the details in the morning when the executive order comes out. But if Trump is able to pull this off, the political calculations, short and long term, are going to be enormous. The Democrats have always tried for years to say that they are the party of the little person. They're working for the little man. But yet they've done very little, particularly in the area of pharmaceutical costs, to bring those costs down so the average American actually feels it in their pocketbook. If Donald Trump manages to successfully pull this off, then he's taken away one very big issue that the Democrats have always had in their quiver of arrows, so to speak. So we'll see what happens tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. when Trump rolls this out. The devil is always in the details. The announcement is one thing. The inner workings of it are going to be something else. So let's see what Trump comes up with. This is going to be really interesting. But that's what I've got to say about it. What do you think? As we start to wrap up this video, please do me some favors as always. Number one, if you're not a subscriber to this channel, please do so. Number two, please make it a point to hit the bell for notifications. I want to make sure you're always aware when new material is coming out, be it a video like this one or a live stream that I do. Number three, please leave a comment below and hit the thumbs up button. You would not believe how much that really helps get this channel out to people who maybe aren't familiar with my work. share the video around with all your friends, and otherwise, please help us out in any way you can. My name is Brian Trippett. I am your front porch conservative, and I will see you next time.